Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to today's maths class and today we'll do integers. In previous class, we have learned about natural number, whole numbers and integers. Let us revise brief about integers, operation on number line, etc. First is integers. All whole number with negative and natural numbers are called integer, such as -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. All these are negative numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called positive number. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 so on are called negative numbers. 0 is an integer which is not positive neither negative. We use integer to show the numbers less than 0 and to represent daily statement or situation with the help of integer. For example, rise in the price is represented by positive integer. Rise means prices increase हो रही है, बढ़ रही है, तो उसको positive integer में लेंगे. Fall in the price represented by negative integer means price कम हो रही है, decrease हो रही है, तो उसको show करने के लिए take negative integer. We also use number line to show the integer on it. Some integer are marked on the number line given below. So here it is 0. If we move to the right of 0, all the positive integer. If we move to the left to 0, all the negative integer. 0 से right में जाएंगे 1, 2, 3, 4 increase होगा. As we go to the left, -1, -2, -3 value will decrease. Clear? When we move right side of the 0, value of integer increases. And when we move left side of 0, the value of integer decreases. Ascending order of marked integer is -6, -2, 3, 5 and descending order of marked integers is 5, 3, -2, -6. We have done addition and subtraction of integer on the number line in previous class. Let us consider the example to show the proper use of integer in our daily life. Suppose an aeroplane is flying at the height of 8000 meter above the sea level, means sea level से 8000 meter ऊपर है. At the particular point, submarine is floating exactly below the aeroplane at 1800 meter below the sea level. जो submarine है वो क्या है? 1800 meter below the sea level, यानी उससे नीचे है. Suppose we have to find out the vertical distance between an aeroplane and submarine. Then how will you find the vertical distance? First, we will see that how much high the aeroplane above the sea level means कितनी height पे है sea level से जो aeroplane है, that is 8000 meter above the sea level, above 0 mark. Now we will see that how much deep the submarine in water below the sea level means sea level से कितना नीचे है submarine, that is 1800 meter below sea level, below 0 mark. So the total vertical distance between the aeroplane and the submarine is 8000 plus 1800 meter, that is 9800 meter. Total जो distance होगी वो हो जाएगी 9800 meter. Next, addition of integers. There are certain rules which we have to follow while we do the addition of integer. Rule number 1. If two positive integer are to be added, then we simply add their values. अगर दोनों positive है, simply we will add their value. For example, 13 plus 16, that is equals to 29. Rule number 2. If two negative integer are to be added, then we add their values regardless to their sign and assign the minus sign of the sum of integer. If both are negative, what we will do? Simply हम add करेंगे and आगे minus का sign लगा देंगे. For example, -15 plus -26, that is equals to -41. Clear? Rule number 3. If one integer is positive and other integer is negative, then we subtract their numerical value regardless of their sign एंड असाइन द साइन ऑफ द इंटीजर विच हैव ग्रेटर न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू, जिसकी भी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू ज़्यादा होगी उसका साइन आ जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 48 प्लस माइनस 64. सो 48 क्या है, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है, एंड 64 नेगेटिव इंटीजर है. सिंपली वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट हियर द डिफरेंस ऑफ द न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू 64 minus 48, that is 16, and 64 has greater numerical value, so we assign the negative sign to their difference. Hence 48 plus minus 64, that is equals to minus 16. Clear? Let's take an example. Example 1. Evaluate the following. First is minus 36 plus minus 76. Solution क्या हो जाएगा, minus 36 plus minus 76. So first हम ब्रैकेट रिमूव करेंगे जो इसके बीच का है, माइनस, बोथ आर माइनस, तो माइनस का साइन बाहर ले लेंगे. 36 प्लस 76, बोथ आर नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स, तो सिंपली वी विल ऐड देम एंड माइनस का साइन लगा देंगे आगे. सो द आंसर विल बी माइनस 112. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ इंटीजर्स. First property is closure property. The sum of two integer is always an integer. किसी भी two integer का sum करेंगे will always get an integer. If a and b are two integer, then a plus b equals to c, where c is also an integer. For example, minus 16 plus 19 equals to 3, which is an integer. Same way, 24 plus minus 30, that is minus 6, which is also an integer. So whenever we will do the sum of integer, we will get an integer. Next is commutative property. The sum of integer remains same whether the order of integer is changed. If a and b are two integers, then a plus b equals to b plus a. Means if we change the order, sum रहेगा वो same रहेगा. For example, consider two integers 7 and minus 5. So we can do 7 plus minus 5, that is 2. If we do this way, minus 5 plus 7, again we get 2. तो जो sum है वो same रहेगा. Next is associative property. Sum of three or more integer remains same whether the grouping of the integer. If a, b, c are three integer, then a plus b plus c grouping की है. First we'll add b plus c और फिर उसमें add करेंगे a, that is equals to a plus b plus c. For example, consider the three integer minus 5, minus 6 and 4. We have three integers that are minus 5, minus 6 and 4. So now minus 5, first हमने grouping की है minus 6 plus 4. So minus 5 minus 6 plus 4 है, तो क्या हो जाएगा, minus 6 plus 4 हो जाएगा minus 2, that is minus 7. Now minus 5 plus minus 6, then we'll add 4. पहले हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. यहाँ पे हमने ग्रुपिंग की है minus 5 and minus 6 की. So minus 5 and minus 6 हो जाएगा minus 11 plus 4, again we'll get minus 7. In both case अगर हम उनकी ग्रुपिंग चेंज करें, आंसर विल रिमेन सेम. दैट इज एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इंटीजर. नेक्स्ट, एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी. If we add 0 to an integer, the sum remains same. For any integer a, we have a plus 0 equals to 0 plus a, that is a. Means किसी भी integer में if we add 0, sum वही रहेगा. So 0 is called the additive identity of integer. Integer की additive identity क्या हो जाएगी, 0. For example, minus 17 plus 0, that is equals to minus 17. Next is additive inverse. Inverse means ulta. When we add any integer to negative of the same integer, the sum remain 0. For any integer a, we have a plus minus a. चेंज कर दिया है, पॉजिटिव ए नेगेटिव ए, तो सम क्या हो जाएगा, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 0. So minus a is called the additive inverse of a. Positive a का additive inverse क्या हो जाएगा? Negative a is called the additive inverse of minus a. So minus a का additive inverse क्या हो जाएगा? Positive a. For example, 16 plus minus 16 that is equals to 0. Next tips. Additive inverse of positive integer is negative integer. Additive inverse of negative integer is a positive integer. Additive inverse of 0 is 0 itself. Next is subtraction of integers. Only closure property is satisfied in the integer because difference of two integer is also an integer. For only integer a and b. a minus b equals to क्या हो जाएगा? a plus minus b. We'll take an example. Subtract following. First is 16 from 29. 29 में से हमें subtract करना है 16. So 29 minus 16. Additive inverse लिखेंगे तो plus minus 16 that is equals to 13. This is positive and this is negative. So answer क्या हो जाएगा? 13. इनका डिफरेंस हो जाएगा एंड जो साइन आएगा जिसकी भी ग्रेटर वैल्यू है दैट इज 29 पॉजिटिव की ग्रेटर वैल्यू है सो पॉजिटिव साइन आ जाएगा. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज फॉर ए. क्वेश्चन 1 लेते हैं. फॉलोइंग नंबर लाइन शो द टेम्परेचर इन द डिग्री सेल्सियस एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी. नंबर लाइन पे आपको डिफरेंट प्लेसेस में टेम्परेचर दे रखा है इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस यू हैव टू आंसर सम क्वेश्चंस. Observe the number line and answer the following question. First question is which is the coldest place among the above places. जो भी places दे रखे हैं उसमें सबसे coldest means सबसे कम टेम्परेचर कहाँ पे है. जहाँ पे भी जहाँ वैल्यू कम होगी नेगेटिव में होगा वहाँ पे टेम्परेचर कम होगा दैट इज श्रीनगर. So write Srinagar. Clear? So you have to do all the question. We'll move to next topic. Next is multiplication of integers. So there are certain rules which we have to follow while we do the multiplication of integer. Rule number 1. If both the integer are same sign, both positive or both negative, then we multiply their values regardless of their sign and assign the positive sign to the product. Means अगर दोनों positive हैं या दोनों negative हैं, जो sign आएगा that will be positive और simply जैसे multiply करते हैं वैसे ही करेंगे. Example लेते हैं. Find the product of first is 22 multiplied by 16. Both are positive. 22 multiplied by 16 that is 352. Clear? Next, rule number 2. If both the integer are of different sign, one is negative and other is positive, multiply their numerical value regardless of their sign and assign the minus sign to the product. जो भी product आएगा उसमें हम minus sign लगाएंगे अगर both the integer are different. For example, find the product minus 36 multiplied by 15. One is negative and other is positive. Minus 36 negative integer and this is positive integer. So simply we will multiply their numerical value. 36 multiplied by 15 that is 540 and आगे negative sign आ जाएगा. So minus 540 will be the answer. Clear? Next, properties of multiplication of integer. First is closure property. The product of two integer is always an integer. If a and b are two integer, then a multiplied by b equals to c, where c is also an integer. For example, 5 multiplied by minus 8 will get minus 40, which is an integer. So whenever we multiply two integers, we will get product as an integer. Next is commutative property. The product of two integers remains same whatever the order of integer. If a and b are two integer, then a multiplied by b equals to b multiplied by A means if we change the order, जो product है that will remain same. For example, consider two integers -7 and 12. So -7 multiplied by 12 equals to -84. If we change the order, 12 multiplied by -7, that is also -84. Clear? Next is associative property. The product of three or more integer remains same whatever the grouping of integer. If we change the grouping, जो आंसर है वो सेम रहेगा. If A, B and C are three integers, then A multiplied by B multiplied by C equals to A multiplied by B multiplied by C. For example, consider the three integer -7, -5 and 4. Take three integer here -7, -5 and 4. Now first हमने इनकी ग्रुपिंग की है. Means first we multiply -5 multiplied by 4, that is -20, and then we multiply it -7 and we'll get 140. If we change the grouping, -7 and -5 को multiply करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 35. Then we'll multiply with 4, we'll get 140. So अगर हम grouping change कर रहे हैं तो आंसर जो है that will remain same. Next, distributive property of multiplication over addition. For any three integer A, B and C, we have A multiplied by B plus C equals to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. For example, consider three integers, that is -8, 5 and -4. So -8 multiplied by 5 plus -4. So 5 minus 4 क्या हो जाएगा 1 multiply -8 will get -8. Now using distributive property of multiplication over addition, -8 multiplied by 5 plus -8 multiplied by -4. So -8 को 5 से multiply करेंगे will get -40 and -8 multiplied by -4 will get 32. So answer is again -8. Clear? Next, multiplication identity. The product of an integer and one remain integer itself. Means if you multiply any integer with 1, you get the integer itself. For any integer A, we have A multiplied by 1 equals to 1 multiplied by A, that is A. So 1 is called the multiplicative identity of integer. For example, 18 into 1, 18 and -23 multiplied by 1 will get -23. Next is multiplicative inverse. The product of an integer and its reciprocal remain 1 always for an integer A. We have A and उसका multiplicative inverse क्या हो जाएगा 1 upon A. So 1 upon A multiplied by A, that is 1. A से कट जाएगा क्या आ जाएगा 1. So 1 by A is called the multiplicative inverse of A and A is called the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon A. For example, 7 into 1 by 7, that is equals to 1, or -17 multiplied by 1 upon -17 will get 1. So किसी भी integer को उसके multiplicative inverse से multiply करेंगे will get 1 as a product. Next is property of 0. Product of any integer and 0 remains always 0. Means if we multiply any integer with 0, we'll get 0 as a product. For any integer A, we have A multiplied by 0 equals to 0 into A, that is equals to 0. For example, -51 multiplied by 0 will get 0. We'll take an example. Find the following product. First is -19 multiplied by 8 multiplied by -25. Clear? By making early grouping with given integer, we have -19 हमने grouping कर दी है, -25 multiplied by 8, that is -200. So -19 multiplied by -200, both are negative. So answer will be 3800. Clear? Some more examples are given here to understand concept better, so practice them. Next is exercise 1B. Fill in the blanks and name the property used. First is minus 14 multiplied by 26 equals to 26 multiplied by minus 14. Clear? So this property is commutative property. Clear? You have to practice all the questions of these exercises. Next is division of integers. Division as an inverse process of multiplication. So there are certain rules which will follow while we doing division. Rule number 1. If both integer are same sign, means दोनों के same sign है, either both are positive or both are negative. Divide their numerical value regardless of their sign and assign the positive sign to the quotient. For example, divide 36 by 12. Both are positive integer. 36 divided by 12, that is 3. So if both are positive or both are negative, simply जैसे हम divide करते हैं वैसे ही करेंगे and will assign the sign of positive. Next, rule number 2. If both integers are of opposite sign, one is negative and other is positive, divide the numerical value regardless of their sign and assign the minus sign to the quotient. For example, minus 156 divided by 6. So minus 156 को 6 से divide करना है, one is negative and other is positive. So simply जैसे हम divide करते हैं वैसे divide करेंगे. So answer क्या आ जाएगा 26 and we will assign the sign. So answer will be minus 26. Next, some tips are given here. The integer which is left over after division is the remainder. The number of time the divisor is contained in the dividend is the quotient. The integer which is to be divided is dividend. The integer by which the dividend is divided is the divisor. Next, properties of division on integers. First, property 1. If a and b are two integers, then it is not necessary that a divided by b is also an integer. अगर a और b दोनों integer है तो ज़रूरी नहीं को when we divide a by b we'll get an integer. For example, 24 and minus 10 both are integer, but 24 divided by minus 10 is not an integer. We'll get a decimal number. Next, property 2. If a is an integer, then a divided by 1 equals to a. Means integer को 1 से divide करेंगे, we'll get that number itself. Minus 24 divided by 1 will get minus 24. Property 3. If a is an integer but a is not equals to 0, then a divided by a equals to 1. Means किसी integer को हम same integer से divide करेंगे, we'll get 1. For example, minus 16 divided by minus 16 equals to 1. Property 4. If a is an integer, then 0 divided by a equals to 0. Means 0 को हम किसी integer से divide करेंगे, we'll get 0. And a divided by 0 is meaningless, since there is no such integer that can give 0 on multiplying by 0 to it. For example, 0 divided by 23 equals to 0, but 23 divided by 0 is meaningless, since there is no such integer that can give 23 on multiplying by 0 to it. Next, property 5. If a, b and c are three integers, then a divided by b divided by c is not equals to a divided by b divided by c unless c equals to 1. So division of integer is not associative. For example, consider three integers, that is 18, minus 6 and minus 3. So 18 divided by minus 6 divided by minus 3. So 18 डिवाइड बाय 2, -6 को -3 से डिवाइड करेंगे 2 एंड आंसर इज 9. नाउ हमने ग्रुपिंग चेंज कर दी है. 18 डिवाइडेड बाय -6 डिवाइडेड बाय -3, सो -3 डिवाइडेड बाय -3 आंसर इज 1. तो आंसर चेंज हो गया. इफ यू चेंज द ग्रुपिंग तो डिवीजन में जो आंसर होगा दैट विल चेंज. विल टेक एन एग्जांपल, एग्जांपल 4. In a class test of maths, +5 marks are given for every correct answer and -2 marks are given for wrong answer. If Vaishali answered all the question and scored 40 marks, so she got 12 correct answer, how many wrong answer did she attempt? So, +5 marks के लिए every correct answer. Clear? Marks given for one correct answer, that is +5. So she got 12 correct answer. So 12 correct answer के लिए उसको कितने मार्क्स मिले? 12 multiplied by 5, that is +60. But what was Vaishali's score? Her score was 40. So marks obtained for wrong answer क्या हो जाएगा? 40 minus 60, that is -20. Marks given for one wrong answer, that is -2. So how many wrong answers are there? -20 divided by -2, that is 10. So number of incorrect answer are 10. Clear? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next is exercise 1C. Fill in the blank. 72 divided by what gives you 6? So 72 को हम 6 से डिवाइड करके देखेंगे तो what will get? 12. So write the number 12 here. 72 divided by 12, answer will be 6. Clear? So you have to practice all the question. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now you have to practice it.